Hey friends, if you love photography and like to sell your photos and videos online, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell icon and turn on all the notifications so that you never miss any video guides from the Teaching Doc channel. And here I come. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. This is Dr. Arindam and you are watching the Teaching Doc. Now I got a lot of comment from you guys who have asked me to make videos in Hindi language. For the overseas viewers, for next 1 minute I'm gonna tell something to my Hindi listeners, so please bear with me. Well friends, मैं already कुछ वीडियो हिंदी में अपलोड कर चुका हूँ. अलग मेरा प्लेलिस्ट है हिंदी स्टॉक फोटोग्राफी गाइड, आप वो प्लेलिस्ट चेक कीजिए. एंड मैं आप सबका रिक्वेस्ट ले रहा हूँ एंड एक एक करके मैं सारा स्टॉक फोटोग्राफी का जितना बेसिक ट्यूटोरियल है मैं वो हिंदी प्लेलिस्ट में ऐड करता रहूँगा. लेकिन एक बात मैं आप लोगों को बोलना चाहता हूँ, आपको थोड़ा बहुत इंग्लिश ज़रूर आना चाहिए. मैं ज़्यादा टफ इंग्लिश में नहीं बोलता हूँ. अगर आपको इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज अच्छे से नहीं आता है तो स्टॉक फोटोग्राफी इनकम आपके लिए थोड़ा मुश्किल हो सकता है, क्योंकि वो स्टॉक फोटोग्राफी वेबसाइट में टाइटल, डिस्क्रिप्शन, कीवर्ड, कैटेगरी सब कुछ इंग्लिश में अच्छे से समझ के लिखना होता है एंड करना पड़ता है. लेकिन आप लोग इतना रिक्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं तो मैं फ्यूचर में ज़रूर हिंदी में वीडियो बनाऊंगा. फॉर दोज हु हैव सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल, थैंक यू सो वेरी मच. योर लव एंड सपोर्ट रियली मोटिवेट्स मी टू upload weekly videos. For those who have seen my last week's video, I know I was supposed to release the episode 2 of the advanced stock photography series, but as I posted in my YouTube community that something really great happened, so I will share those news to you guys. But actually two things happened, so I will tell you them one by one. News number 1 is about my sales in a new agency. I asked you guys to guess the name. You gave me many names, but those were not right. I got my first sales on EyeEm. Yes guys, I uploaded my video on EyeEm quite a few months back, and since then you saw I didn't include EyeEm in my stock photography earnings list because I never got any sales on EyeEm. Well, this week when I was checking my account, just I went to my earnings tab and as you can see I got 4 new sales on EyeEm. Now there are 2 very good things about EyeEm. As you can see, each sales definitely gave me much more value than Shutterstock. In base sales of Shutterstock it is only 25 cents, and the thing is there is no upper limit of payout on EyeEm. As you can see, I earned total $2.72 and I already am ready for payout, and here is me requesting the payout. So as you can see, I will now log in into my PayPal. See, originally my PayPal balance was 0 as I deducted all my payouts. Now you can see here the first line, it says payment from EyeEm and it is $2.72. So that's my payment proof from EyeEm. So I just wanted to share this news with you guys. I will definitely post a video on EyeEm in my future content. News number 2, and this is really great. That is, I had my first clip, that is video sale on Shutterstock. A notification came, your clip was downloaded for the first time. I was so excited that actually I clicked the notification. I didn't have the time to take the screenshot, but as you can see, this is the video which I uploaded quite a while back. It was a video of a chemical experiment going on in my medical class, and then I recorded this video after the students went out and I uploaded this one. Well, it sold today. It's not a 4K clip. Had it been a 4K, I would have got a much higher value in sale, but this is my first video sale and it got me $6 and I am quite happy with it. Well, we are here in my stock photography Shutterstock portfolio, and if you go to videos, you can see I only have 10 videos. So little. I have almost 2000 images, but videos are only 10. Now I'll show you one thing. I have nothing to hide from you guys. As you know, I share everything with you. I am very poor regarding stock videography. See, only one green tick and all rejected. Everything that I have uploaded in last few months have been rejected due to various reasons. I don't know how to correct them. I am also trying to learn, but somehow I got some of them approved and those sold. So now let me take you to show you my earning in my profile. If you change from image earnings to videos, you will see this is the one clip of the chemical conical flask that actually sold and gave me $6. I even don't know, this was a handheld video and I never knew it would sell, but now since it has sold, I have belief in stock videography as well. Now, as I told you, I will not tell you guys anything unless I get an experience firsthand myself. So now I will be uploading a series in future regarding stock videography as well. Now for code of the day. Today you type far from home in the comment section to prove that you are still watching this video with me and you have not skipped the video after 1 minute. So these were the two news which I had to share with you, my friends who have always been with me since the beginning. So 4 new sales in EyeEm and a video clip sale in Shutterstock. This really made my week. Well, stay tuned for the next episode of the Advanced Stock Photography series. Till then, this is Dr. Arindam and you are watching the Teaching Doc, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.